Reverend Dr. Harrison Dongo, host minister at Living Grace Church International, together with other host ministers at the Ablera of Living Grace Church International, who include Matthew Kirori, Reverend Jane Rurigi, Apostle Kamanja, and Pastor Winnie Nyoro, invites you to a 2 days power-packed and spirited conference that runs from April 27th to April 28th this year, 2024. The conference will take place at 32020 First Avenue South, Federal Way, Washington 98003. The main speaker will be Dr. Wesley Paul, President, Wesley Paul International Ministries, which is an associate of Billy Graham International from Kentucky, USA. Other speakers include Professor Bishop Peter Ndongo and Apostle Grace Chibwelze from Nigeria. Also in attendance is Reverend David Kiama. The time frames of this 2 days conference are as follows. We shall have an evening kesha on Friday 8 p.m. to 12 midnight. Leaders' breakfast will take place on Saturday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. The conference will kickstart on Saturday 10 to 5 p.m. Kigosho explosion will commence from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and will climax on Sunday with Sunday service from 12 noon to 5:30 p.m. Remember, there shall be afternoon and evening revivals for the 2 days running, and during meetings, brunch and lunch will be provided from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. daily. Gospel music ministers from USA including Charles Washira, Mwarewa Zayuni, Msokei, Eda Kate, Susan Sumeyan from Seattle, and Joyce Imso from Texas will grace the occasion with music and dance for the Lord. The theme of this 2 days conference is Divine Reset and will be broadcasted live on Pacific Waves Television. Invite a friend and let that friend invite another friend and say Seattle Reawakens Resets. All are welcome.